Hey guys, I wanted to jump on and kind of break down a call I did with my team last week into just the basic logo and how to create it with Canva. So I'm going to share my screen and flip over and show y'all. This is what my Canva looks like. So Canva is a website and app that you can get online and download an app for free. And you can come in here and create a design, and these up top are templates. All this other stuff is stuff I've created before. And I'm just going to click on this logo right here. And look up an element. So we're going to try something with a lightning bolt. Bolt, spelled that wrong. And see what we find. Okay, so this is just a basic free lightning bolt. I'm going to take the transparency down, and you can see that it says Canva, because that usually means that it's a paid version, but it says it's free, so I don't know what's up with that. Anyway, just going to continue and show you what I would do to make a cool little logo. And some girl was talking about like in Harry Potter, so we'll just throw the lightning bolt up there. And her name was Ashley, so we're going to do an A and make it as big as we can. The best I found is like 200. And so what you're going to want to do is come find a font that you like and an element that you like. Under the elements, you can find anything. My little logo is just a basic circle, and I'll show you that in a second too. But let's go look for a different font. This is one of my favorite fonts, but that does not look good. It looks like handwriting. Let's see what this looks like. So that's pretty. Let's do that, and then come over here and hit copy, so you'll have another little box with the same size. So let's just say, we're going to pull this down, pull this up. So now they're centered. I had mine offset, but you can see how you can play with this. I'll take you back and show you. Let's see what this looks like. Hold on. I would definitely change those colors. My favorite colors are pink. I like the green, pink and green, or pink and blue. So that would be more my colors. Let's see if I can select those two. I'm going to group them. Uh-oh, it's not giving me the little twist thing. Oh, here we go. That's what I wanted to do. Just delete this one. So I copied that, and it let me do the rotation. So I like that. I like the rotation on that. It looks better with the lightning bolt coming down. And so this may be something. This will be cute with a transparent background too. Okay, so with the paid version, I can download this and click transparent background, and it's going to come just the lightning bolt and the letters and not the white background. So you see over here how it's just the AB, the gray won't be there. So I'm going to pull Canva back up and upload it. So say I'm going to use that over a picture here. So I have a whole file of logos here. I'm going to upload another logo. Well, where did it go? It should be right here. Upload. Okay, so it's not there. Where in the world? Downloads. I downloaded it today, right? forget that for now. Let me see if I can actually like pull this over and drag it. Just drag it. Sorry, I'm just now getting the hang of this Mac computer. I've always been a PC person, and now here I am. Oh, it says A. Why does it say A? Let's see. We'll just search. It said A. There it is. So I'm going to upload this. And it should pop up. Where is it? Why am I having technical difficulties? A. There it is. Let's upload it. There it is. Okay. So let's say we're going to go create a Facebook post or anything that you're doing. This is saved. Let's go back to all designs. We're going to start a Facebook post. And we want to put our logo on it. So we're going to come over here and grab that logo that we just created and shrink it down, and it'll go on whatever post you want to create. And so you can create a basic background. I've uploaded some of my own pictures so that I can actually like put my initial on it and know that it's an original picture and everything. So I like this one. I like to just sit and take in the backyard. You can see there. So something you would want to do is just kind of move it to stretch it to big enough. And then I'm going to, hope my face is in the way, I'm going to send that picture back if I can. It's not letting me send it back. Oh, here it is. You can see the AV coming through. So that the background went to the back automatically, and you can see the logo here. And if you had a different color background, see how when you get it big enough, it'll like automatically set it as the background. See how that logo popped through? So you can just put that little logo wherever you want. And that's why I like doing the ones with little transparent background, just to kind of bring it in as a watermark. So that's just an option if you were looking to brand some of your own original pictures, and you wanted to get a logo. And so many people like really overthink the logo. And just get something started simple. Like I'll show you, mine is so basic. Just this C and A with a circle. It's got my favorite colors, so that's what I would call my brand colors. And then I have the green to take the black out and add the green on some background. So I just went, let's start back at the top. So just like that lightning bolt picture that I just did, I created a basic logo picture. So we'll pop back into that. And then when you click this the double squares, it copies the page. So then you can come down, select that, and make it smaller. Okay. There we go. Well, that's just that. I'm going to make the whole thing smaller. Make that. What? Okay. So I should be able to select both of those and make it smaller. But I must be selecting the very back. So I'm going to hit Shift and select both of those and see if that works. No, it didn't. Shift, select this. Why won't it let me shrink that down? That I'm unsure of. But that's how I did the first one. So of course, it's going to give me problems when I try to record the video. So let's go back. I'm going to go back to this one because I know it worked on this one. So I just took this basic logo. I copied that page. I selected the whole thing, and see that little ball there pops up, or the little dot, I guess you would call it, and I'll just come center that, and you can see that line pops up to help you center it. And then I would go add the text and add my name next to it. And I found that I like this font. It's called Sacramento, and so I would just go pick that font and then write my name out, which looks like that. And then I just started playing with different colors, playing with another element added in, which I found over here in the elements and shapes. And I just copied that, where you can tell one was lighter, one's darker, just so that you have just like a little file of logos that you can grab to make your own. And then I'm just going to show you in my logos just some other options over here on the side. See, I've got the black carry that's just my signature, and I've got it in colors if it happens to be a picture that's too dark. And you don't have to put these on everything you share, but anything original that you share, if you kind of tweaked a recipe and you want to make a little image of that recipe, you can put your logo on that, because you can feel good saying that I created this from scratch. Like, I made this recipe my own. I created the image myself. So logo that and brand that as something that you do. And that just helps set your image apart. And you want to feel good knowing that you created it all. So that's why I would always put one of these little logos or initials on my original recipes or my original images that I put a quote on. The quote may be from someone else, and then you did a little dash quote by. But if you have an original image and you created the document, you can put your little logo on there. So anyway, I just thought I would help break that down a little bit, and I hope it helped. So if you have any questions, be sure to put them in the comments, and I'll get back with you. And I'm always up for creating more little videos like this. I'd really like to do one on a social strategy. That's kind of the next document I'm working on. So, all right, catch you later. Bye.